Hello everyone, welcome back to PSG Sathi. So in this video, we will learn how to add error bar in your data using Origin software. Error bars are very important when we represent experimental data in the search paper, thesis or report because they show the variation or uncertainty in your measurement. So if you want to make professional reading graph, learn how to add error bar is very important. So let's learn step by step. First step, as usual, open a new workbook in your installed Origin software. So enter your x value in column A, which are the independent variable. Enter the value y in column B, which is your measured data. So this is the same as we discussed even in our all previous video. Here we have to add third column, which will be the column C, to add the error values. Now to understand and make it clear, I am taking the same example. I am entering the value in the column A 10, 20, 30, 40 and 50. On the Y column, which is column B, I am entering the value 100, 200, 300, 400 and 500. Let's say I choose the value for the error in the Y since it's 100. So let's say I choose the variation of 5, 10, 20, then I choose let's say 25 and enter the value 35 in the row 5. Now the second step, assign the error column. Now we need to tell Origin that third columns contain error value. So how you do that? So right click on the column C in which you entered the Y error value. Now on right clicking, set as, go to the Y error, select OK, click. And now Origin understand this column contains error information associated with the Y data. So this step is very important. Now next step is to plot the data. So how can you do that? So select the column A, column B and C. How you do that? So click on the column A and drag to the column B and C. So all the three columns you can see covered with the black color. So that's how you confirm all the three columns are selected. Now how you plot? So as we have discussed in our previous video, come to the bottom. On the left side you can see there are three different ways we can plot, that is line, scattered and line plus symbol. For my preference, I am choosing line plus symbol. So this is your plot with the error bars. This black vertical bar is your plus minus error which you have entered. So next step, how you can customize this graph? Again, double click on the plot. A plot details window will open, so you can play with the various parameters like this bar thickness, bar color, similarly the line color and line thickness, which we already discussed. So that's how you can make your graph professional and publication purpose. If you found this video useful, please like, share and subscribe this channel for more such video to help your research data analysis. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.